Hi, Robin and Chet here with Sea Lake Journeys.
Sea Lake Journeys.
Well, tonight we're going to take you to a place that we always go if the port has it.
Walmart?
Not Walmart.
Where?
Margaritaville.
Oh, Margaritaville. Of course.
So we're going to be taking you to Margaritaville in Grand Turk. Welcome to Margaritaville at Grand Turk. This is one of our favorite hangouts. The main entrance has stairs and these really cute little Margaritaville chairs to sit in with footstools.
And if you can't go up them stairs because you're in a scooter or a wheelchair, go off to the right and you'll come in this entrance right here, which goes right to the restrooms and the pool deck.
Whether you take the main entrance or the handicap entrance, you will come out directly by the pool.
All right, so shout out to Robin and Chet. Shout out to Robin and Chet, Sea Lake Journeys.
Sea Lake Journeys.
We're going to take you on a tour around Margaritaville.
Notice the little scooter there that somebody had to use to get to the pool. And there's a wheelchair up ahead too, because it's easy access for you. And also, it's good access to have fun. Look at Robin go.
As we continue around the pool, this is a poolside retreat for two.
At an extra charge. And this is a Poolside Cabana, which also is at an extra charge. The one over next to it with the pink rails, that one has a wheelchair accessible ramp to it.
And they're so cute and cozy inside. And guess what? They're air conditioned too.
Air conditioned. Yeah, you might want that.
It is a really large pool and tons of places to sit. Hey Chet, which hotel is that back there?
That's the Hotel Carnival. How about that?
It's a cruise ship! So we're going to take a break right here and ask you, if you're enjoying this video in any way, why don't you give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe and notification bell as well. We'd love to have you as part of the Sea Lake Journey crew. Now back to the video.
The Margarita Pool is free to use all day while you're in port. This is the zero gravity entryway. It's like walking in at the beach. It just slopes in nice and easy.
And on this end of the pool, there is a hand washing station with sanitizer.
Now you can relax in the pool and watch the guys on the Flowrider and look at the majestic cruise ships in the background.
And don't forget, while you're doing that, swim on over to that bar and grab you a cocktail.
On your way out, don't forget your Margaritaville gift shop to get some souvenirs.
Well, we'd like to thank you for watching.
Baby Enzo and Ringo would like to thank you for watching too.
We'd like to thank you for watching. And remember, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. It's good for the channel. It helps other people find us, and we thank you very much. Till next time, see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.